So first things first, we need to design the app. So I am currently in the design tab and I am going to add a label so that the user knows what this app is about. I am going to type calculating the area and perimeter of a square. I am going to increase the size and change the font. I am changing the properties of this label. I am adding another label for the user to know where to add the input for the side measure. I am now adding a text input for the user to write the measures. Now as you can see, I'm adding 4 text boxes. I'm going to alter them later. 2 text boxes are to indicate the area and perimeter. I'm going to make 2 of them stay blank for now. And once I code it, after I calculate the area and perimeter of the square, it will be shown in the empty box. Now I'm going to add a button. So when the user presses the button, then it will calculate the area and perimeter of the square. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a template so that the app looks nice. I'm going to select pastel. There we go. Now it's time to code. So now I'm on the code tab and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to press this block on event. I'm going to add button 1 as the ID, which means that when button 1 is clicked, then the program will get executed. Now it's time to select the second block, which is going to be set text. Now we're going to select the ID which is required. I am going to add label 6 as the ID because that is where I want the answer of the area to come. Now I'm going to go to the math group and I am going to select the multiplication operator. I'm going to go back to the UI controls and there I'm going to select get number and I'm going to specify the ID. Now this ID will be the input because the formula for area is side into side. Now for the perimeter, what we're going to do is we're going to select set text again, and this time we're going to give the other label where we want the perimeter to appear. So that's label 7. Now we're going to go back to the math category and we're going to multiply the number, the input. So we're going to add get number and the ID will be input multiplied by 4 because the formula is side multiplied by 4.